I think that it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about seven myths about skincare and makeup which we're about to burst. So without further delay, let's get to the video. So for people who know me know that I love makeup, and I love sculpting my face. It gives me a different kind of liberation and freedom. I love doing weird ass looks as well. So this video I am not making for the sake of making a video and uploading it on YouTube, but this is something which I have also had misconceptions about, and so if it helps anyone, then great. If you like the video, go ahead, like, share and subscribe to the video. And now let's start with the first myth. So the first myth that we're going to be busting today about makeup is actually a misconception which many people. So the first myth about makeup is basically a misconception जो बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि most of the girls apply makeup to either hide their insecurities or conceal some marks or etc. But some girls के लिए it is true, people do that, but there is also a lot of girls who find liberation and freedom in makeup. It's more like a personal journey. It's more about as normal as pairing a matching pair of socks, even though I don't have one right now, but pairing matching pair of socks with your attire, or wearing the right shoes with what you're wearing, or setting your hair while you leave the house, or making your presentation presentable, or buying cute fancy bookmarks, because I don't think there's anyone on earth who doesn't fancy pretty things in life. So it is as good as accessorizing yourself with good clothes and accessories. You accessorize your face, and I don't think it is such a big deal for people to judge girls who apply makeup. The second myth that I would like to pop is, I think, would be relatable with most of the people, including me a few years back. We think that expensive products are always better than drugstore products or cheaper products, which is not true. There are good and bad products in each price range. So you just have to see what skin sensitivities you have and look at the ingredients or harmful chemicals which you need to avoid in certain products. Look for it, observe your skin, don't jump to conclusions. As they say, don't judge a book by its cover. Look for the ingredients in the product, and if it suits you, then. The third myth that I would like to pop is that it is okay to travel outside if your foundation has SPF sunscreen in it, which is absolutely ridiculous. There are so many brands coming up with a foundation having SPF in it, so it is great. Time save hota hai, money save hota hai, one less product to carry outside, because girls already have so much to carry in their bags and purses, right? But it is not true. Even if you're going out for like 5 minutes, it is going to damage your skin. You're going to have sunburn, slowly aging start ho jata hai. You might have sunspots and whatnot. So why? And also sunscreen acts like a great base for your foundation. So the fourth myth is makeup products are overall harmful for your skin. Like seriously, आप ये बोल रहे हो? You are the one who doesn't wear moisturizer every day and don't wear sunscreen while stepping out of the house, and you are the one saying this? Not cool. So it is true that makeup products can be harmful only when you don't pay attention to the ingredients that those makeup products have, like TEA or DEA or NEA or parabens or aluminum or fragrances, artificial fragrances which are there in the ingredients, etc. Like if you don't pay attention that agar these harmful ingredients are going to be there in the makeup products, they're obviously going to be harmful. If you're going to apply expired products on your skin, it is obviously going to be harmful. But वो तो आप expired food खा के भी कुछ हो सकता है आपको अंदर से. If you're going to apply expired products on your face, it is obviously going to be harmful. 60% of whatever we apply हमारे त्वचा पे, skin पे gets absorbed by the skin. So make sure जहाँ पे cost cutting की ज़रूरत ना हो वहाँ पे cost cutting ना करें. Where you need to invest in a good product, please do. जो भी product market में आता है, it is first scrutinized, given a yes to, and then only it comes in the market ki yes, it is safe to apply on skin. So wearing makeup is not harmful. Slay all the looks on your face and be happy. One more myth is whatever is good for your friend is good for you. So we ask our friends, right, ki what products are you using? Your skin looks better now. Your friend has a flawless skin, and you ask her for tips and advices ki as to what you're doing to your face to make it look so radiant and glowing. But बहनों और भाइयों, जो किसी और के स्किन पे सूट होगा, नॉट नेसेसरी इट विल सूट योर स्किन एज वेल. उनका सन एक्सपोजर, द टाइम दैट दे स्पेंड आउट इन पोल्यूशन, द genetics which they have been gifted, the hormones which their body is creating, it is not the same case with you. So make sure that you evaluate your skin very nicely, and then आप आपके लिए जो सूट होते हैं वो प्रोडक्ट्स चूज़ कीजिए. Now this myth is for everyone who thinks blackhead removers do work. Blackhead removers can only remove surface से जितना आ रहा है उतना. The underlying problem वहीं पे होता है. You clean it after some days, again it is formed. If you want to remove this from the root cause, use products which are rich in salicylic acid or salicylic acid or BHA, the same thing. तो अगर आपको root cause निकालना है तो use products which are rich in this. And सो दी लास्ट एंड दी 7th myth इज़ ये मानना कि ये दुनिया में ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो हमारे रिंकल्स हटाने में हमारी मदद कर सकते हैं. नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग, अगर ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स एग्जिस्ट करते भी, वाई वुड द सेलिब्रिटीज़ हु हैव एन एक्सेस टू सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स would go for skin surgery and skin upliftment? There is no such thing as anti-wrinkle cream, no matter which company tells you, who assures you, which celebrity sells it, which company sells it. There is no such thing as anti-wrinkle cream. You can only slow down the process of your aging but cannot stop it. तो उसको आप स्लो डाउन करने के लिए आप एवरीडे मॉइस्चराइज कीजिए आपके स्किन को, और अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन, अवॉइड मैक्सिमम सन डैमेज, अवॉइड स्किन टैंस, आर्टिफिशियल स्किन टैंस. सो वो सब अवॉइड करके यू कैन स्लो डाउन दी प्रोसेस बट कैन नॉट एब्सोल्युटली स्टॉप योर skin's process, which is very natural. Either accept it, and if you can't, then go for surgeries or upliftments. No one's going to judge you, but anti-wrinkle cream, don't waste your money in it. And with that, I'm going to end today's video. If you liked the video, give it a like. Share the video with your friends if you think it's going to be helpful for them. Comment down if you think you have any other myths that needs to be busted, which haven't been busted till now. And that is it. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and love.